Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by loading your vocal and inserting the pitch correction plugin on the track. Choose the correct key and scale so the algorithm targets the right notes. Once done, set detection to a mono input and reduce noise so the device only tracks the voice. This improves accuracy. You should also trim excess silence and set buffer to a stable value to avoid latency. Now that the plugin is inserted and key is set, move on to tuning mode choices. You select retune speed next, fast for the classic auto-tune effect, slower for natural correction. Then enable humanize or flex tune to keep sustained notes expressive. This helps avoid the flat, lifeless sound corrective tools can produce. Make small adjustments to tracking to prevent glitches on sibilants and consonants, and tweak formant or formant correction to maintain timbre. Once you hear the character you want, move to automation and smoothing. You finalize by automating correction, amount across the performance so verses and choruses sit naturally. Send the vocal to a parallel bus if you want to blend the process sound with the dry voice for warmth. This preserves transience and avoids overprocessing. If you hear tuning artifacts, make sure you lower retune speed, increase tracking, or clean problem phrases with manual pitch editing. As a last resort, comp a better take. Repairing pitch is easier when the source is solid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.